Hello guys, welcome to a new video where I will show how to use Java to read data from the keyboard. How a user can interact with an application writing within a console. This video belongs to a playlist of Java for beginners. You can download the project I'm using with a link in the video's description. I've already shown how to print some values, some variables to the screen with Java. But now, how can a user insert some values into a Java application? To output values, I've used system out println. So now I must use the in channel. I will redirect this channel into a scanner. And this scanner will read the input data available from the user. I will print it at the end to validate what I've read. The method next will block the application until the user enters something in the terminal and validates it pressing enter. Pressing enter, I send the content to the input channel of the Java application. As I have the scanner reading this input channel, it will be returned with the next method. Now that I have my value, I can do whatever I want. In this example, I've just printed it. But what happens if I want to read a number? With the next method, I've read a string. May I convert this string into an integer? No. This way, with the nextInt, the scanner already transforms it into an integer. I have other methods to read floats, doubles, or even big decimals. Let's go back to the string version. What happens if I write multiple words? Only the first one is read. But I need all the words to be read. The next method will only read until the next space character. Nevertheless, I have the nextLine method. Now I can read a complete line. So, I can read a single word, a complete line, numbers or floats. But how can I check what is the content sent by the user? This way, I use the adequate method depending on the user's input. If it's a number, I use the nextInt method. If it's a float, I use the nextFloat method. Otherwise, use the nextLine method. So, I can now create applications that interact with the user, reading the values in the correct format. Let's go further. What if I only accept some particular values? With next and nextLine, I can indicate a pattern, a regex, or a word that must match the input. In this case, I only accept the values yes or no. And now, instead of a regex, I use a hard-coded string value. I will talk about the regex later in another video. I encourage you to practice a little bit with some assignments you can find below. Remember, the project is available in a link in the video's description. And to validate the assignments, you can run the tests like this. Finally, you have the solutions in another link in the video's description. That's all. I hope you liked the video. So click on the thumbs up and see you in the next video. Bye!